complicated.
Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Shah over here, and today we are going to talk about the OnePlus One 6. So let's get started. I'm Shah, and this is the OnePlus One 6 flagship phone. It is having a notch, on the front of the phone. The notch will be smaller than the iPhone 6. Crystal glass, sapphire glass on the back of this phone. Fingerprint sensor, dual tone LED flash. Let's see the specification of this phone. Yeah, it has an 8GB RAM, Snapdragon 845 octa-core chip, 6.2 AMOLED display, which I told you right now, and 3.500 mAh battery, dash charging, up to 125GB storage, and as I told you, dual camera of 23 and 16 megapixel, calling Gorilla Glass 5, and yeah, it has it runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. It's going to have an USB Type-C port, which is going to help in fast charging, and it is going to come with an audio jack, and it is going to be come in the price value of 43,000 in Indian currency. They were expecting about the 48,000, but from in my point of view, the 48,000 variant phone, it's gonna be huge price, and nobody wants to take an copy of iPhone which is 48,000 rupees. So that's it. Hope you like my video.